For now anyway, it don't matter. It's buggered up pretty good, but it's burned in. That's all I care about for now. At least on this part. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is get back under here. Put that thing back under there, support that so that I can pull the jack out from under it. And I'll be able to roll it. I need to roll it forward a little bit so I can get that under here and lift it off the table and set it somewhere along in here. And then I'll put it on some stands and then maybe scoot it back, and then I'll roll the truck back in, and I might suspend the ass end of the truck up there. It's not that heavy, so that shouldn't be no problem. And commence to taking this off. All this good gumbo. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so let me get all cleaned up and situated and stuff and get something to drink. I'm about to thirst to death. And I'll get back with you in a little bit. Here we go. Oh, the truck. I got the motor done. Really? Yeah. We just had to get some wires. We're gonna dyno it in a week or so, I guess. I'm on the kind of a jacked up schedule right now.
You work a swing shift?
Yeah, so I go in tomorrow.
That's why I texted you the other day, because I was like, man, I think you work swing shift. I didn't want to call.
I got it as soon as I woke up or whatever.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to call, because I know swing shift. I know how that is. I got to where I'm deleting my social media and everything.
Hey, I started getting rid of a bunch of crap too.
I'm just tired of seeing it. Stupid.
I know, man. We got hit twice. I got for $800 one time, no, 3 times. 800, 400, and 200.
Do you think it's from the marketplace where they'll take it, like if you're selling something, and they're like, is it still available? Because you know, everybody says if you ask if it's available, I'm not going to answer.
Yeah.
And then, you know, most people will say yes if it's still available. Well, in code, it could be, you know, do you confirm this authorization?
Yeah. I don't know, man. I
got thinking about it the other day, because I won't say yes no more. I'll just put yep.
Yeah, luckily our bank, state forward.
Yeah, they're good bank.
They took care of us, right? We got our money back. All the numbers, account numbers, and stuff like that. Remember how many were? 4 on each side. Let's see, I had 5 were up there, and I might have stuck them together and had 5 on each side.
5.
Yeah, 1 on the outside and 4 on the inside.
Okay, 4 on the inside. Actually, what we're going to do is stick the bar and the plates on.
Right, that's what I said.
Don't let me get ahead of myself, man. I will.
I was thinking that. Let's see, let me, 1, 2.
Two bolts. Really, I wanted it, but it might be a little long.
Yeah, well, I think we're done.
Back there's one right there, I think. You can walk in. We don't need to get it level. What I'm talking about is the center. Like, are we centered both ways?
Oh, yeah.
We can do this after we put the plates.
Like,
Yeah. Center in.
Folks, putting on the ice in, took the old wheels off. I'm gonna clean up and do a little painting and put the new stuff bone on, but I gotta clean this metal up. All right guys, got them on there. Got the rear brakes on, just the rotors and stuff, calipers. Everything's good, nothing's rubbing. She's free now. She's on all fours. She's coming together, y'all. Check out them new wheels. That looks, to me, beautiful. I'm gonna tell you what. Those are 16s. And you know me, I'm old school. I like white leather tires, and that's the, ain't a whole lot of choices for white leather tires for a 16. But anyhow, we got them on there. She's looking good. Tomorrow, maybe, or Tuesday, Tomorrow's Monday, so maybe Tuesday we'll go to the machine shop and hopefully do a little videoing of the dyno for the engine. They called me and said she's ready. Just had to put some break-in oil in it. And we'll get that here this week. She's gonna start coming together before I have all my parts. I still need a steering column. I need a steering column. I need gauges. Of course, my wiring harness. I'll need that. And then I need to tidy up in here right much. Get this all prettied up. We'll get back on some body work. And shoot, this bad boy liable to be moving here. Oh yeah, I gotta get the drive shaft too. But we won't know that, what we need, until we get everything situated. But anyhow, sweet, she's coming together, y'all. I hope you like it. I do. Keep on watching. Subscribe. Do some subscribing. Help a brother out. Cause this is where all my time and money's going right now. Come on. Not all my time, but you know. Anywho, all right. Woods Chevy, I'm Keith Breeze. This bad boy's coming together, y'all.